Sasini Tea County Nyamira bali tkolero baba gutwara umuyaga bwo gucengera obokoreri obuya ase company yo awase umudirector omonena sereta Silas Njibwakale abagakorwa kuboria gochase board yetereta mangana yobori mibwechae kobekemero bere emekiranu yoko enekia buna echae abere kegosangererwa bwekiranu korwase abaremi goikase chief factory au nigo boigo abakwaga komenta buna bateneneri nigo berwete kegima asoko enekia buna babere bako bwaterana n'abantu bonsi nakubwaterania abantu bonsi abasacha n'abasibati asoko enekia buna ekerengo kyoboremi bwechae kyabere kegokinwa asensemiyo morketkorwase county ya Nyamira job mangi na mangi
ekero tutigareti amatuko amakerinde gosieka umwaka nigo chikampuni au chigendera kwalingania ebikaro by'omweli bw'omwaka ase kampuni yecha ya Sasini Tea Limited ere yemo yabo ase batwara egikaro gyo gochengera okora buya ase umwaka weta na bakoli emirimo baye.
Tumekuwa na sherehe kuwashukuru wafanyakazi wa Tea Limited for the good performance they had last year and encourage them to continue working hard so that we can continue having this kind of celebration.
Kago kwana na baliki bamangana maya Silas Njibwakale oyoromo managing director we kampuni eyo nato erabunambali angeokora emirimo ne factory chibonchokana ine kurende kusaba ekyombe gya Tea Board of Kenya kweneke bunankuga ya nabale obwererya bwechae uchiase chi factory anene mono kuligerelia enchera abale mibeli getie asi factory ao
is that the industry regulator Tea Board ihakikishe that it collects data for farmers supplying to various factories so that we can be able to compare who is in more than one factory. Then that farmer will be called to be asked to choose at least a factory of choice. It is important that we continue working in harmony together with other companies for the benefit of the farmers. Even the leaf which is being lost, they claim to be lost, is still ending up in this country.
Asate eba engana irere abalimi koba echae enyinge kubwa chi factory chinde na senge nchoba korwa obokoreri obuya.
Just love supplying to Kisii because of the services that we give them. And those farmers who supply to us, they are fully registered. So this story of saying that maybe KTGA is taking leave from smallholders, I don't think that is right.
Nate bamberu echego ikirania okubane kweli chiko lya serikali likugane buna amabaga yemeremo egati abakungu n'abasacha abagakwena nuabwanchireli bonde bonsi botayo.
At the moment, I think we have more male employees in employment than the female employees. So the policy for Sasini has directed that by 2026, we should be able to have 50-50 gender balance, not just at the lower level, but be it in supervision, be it in management, we must be able to have 50% gender balance. And as the MD Kisii, I am really going to ensure that we do what our Sasini board has directed.
Nonyanga chi factory chinde chiko keiligo lilia machani nateba ensemo yabo mbaligo chiko ke yaligo liliabo nateba mbaligo chiko ke yaligo liliabo asengencho emerobeli babwate nigere etofauti ne chi factory chinde.
For us Kisii, we're not going to lower the green leaf price anytime soon because of committed forward contracts. I have contracts that we need to fulfill at a particular level that we have agreed. Na lazima tuendelee mpaka nimalize hizo contracts.
Rwase County Nyamira, Ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV, Job Maangi.